Top 5 Best Mechanical Keyboard in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboard? If you received a new mechanical keyboard, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best mechanical keyboards on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The Ajazz AK680 Max is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard, featuring a compact 60% layout with 68 keys. Its magnetic switches and rapid trigger technology deliver ultra-fast response times of up to 0.01 mm actuation, making it ideal for competitive gameplay. The keyboard supporting, providing stunning visual effects for immersive gaming experiences. Constructed with durable ABS keycaps, it offers a smooth surface for long-lasting use. Additionally, Number 2. The Redragon K618 Horus is a low-profile mechanical keyboard designed for speed and comfort, featuring tri-mode connectivity options, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB. It has a full-size 104-key layout for optimal functionality in both gaming and productivity. The keyboard boasts multicolor RGB backlighting, allowing for dynamic effect play. The ultra-slim profile and ergonomic design minimize wrist strain during prolonged use. The K618 is compatible with desktops, laptops, and tablets, making it versatile for various settings. Number 3. The BOW Mini Folding Bluetooth Keyboard, model, HB191, is an efficient, portable typing solution designed for mobility. Its foldable hinges enable easy storage in bags or pockets, catering to users on the move. The keyboard can connect with up to 3 devices, facilitating effortless transitions between different laptops. It features a rechargeable battery that ensures long operating times for both work and entertainment purposes. The keyboard is built with durable PBT plastic keycaps that provide a smooth and quiet typing experience due to its membrane operation style. An included stand offers support for devices. Number 4. The Attack Shark M75 Wireless Gaming Keyboard combines style and high performance, catering to both gamers and multitaskers. It offers Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz dual-mode connectivity, ensuring a stable and lag-free experience across various devices, including desktops, laptops, and tablets. Its compact 78-key layout optimizes desk space while maintaining comfort and functionality. The keyboard features durable PBT keycaps for a premium tactile feel and resistance to wear. With rainbow backlit gradient lighting, visual appeal, while an integrated control knob and OLED display facilitate easy adjustments and provide real-time information. Designed with ergonomic precision. Number 5. The AK680 Max boasts a hot-swappable design, facilitating easy switch customization to align with personal typing preferences. Additionally, it is equipped with multicolor RGB backlighting, providing visually stunning effects that enhance the immersive experience during gaming sessions. The keyboard's ABS keycaps are crafted for durability and comfort, delivering a smooth tactile surface that withstands prolonged use. Connectivity options are versatile, offering both wired connections via USB and wireless connectivity using Bluetooth, making it adaptable to different setups. With its lightweight and ergonomic design. Thanks for watching the video.